So there's a boys club. So I was actually the first girl intern and the bet was ये 10 दिन टिकेगी, ये 20 दिन टिकेगी, 1 महीना टिकेगी. Shahrukh, for that matter, is actually biased towards women.
Yeah.
He makes it so beautiful for the environment, so nice for the women to work in and so safe. You know, you feel very safe when you're working with him. Even while we were casting, so तापसी ने तो मनमर्जियाँ में ही मैंने उसको हसीन दिलरुबा का वन लाइन बताया था, उसने रुमाल रख दिया था. Of course, there's a huge gender bias. You have to work 10 times harder as a woman. There was hesitation. In fact, जब मैंने तापसी को सुनाया था, the role I called her home, and I was like, look, I'm going to narrate it too, पर जवाब तो मुझे अभी देके जाएगी. जिनके कारण ये सेफ नहीं है जगह, तो पहले उनको बंद करिए आप. Something constructive is done. Rather than saying that घर पे बैठो 10 बजे लॉक हो जाओ. So of course, अनुराग कश्यप, अनुराग is amazing, you know. हम ध्यान से रहें, हम घर के अंदर बंद हो जाएं, हम ठीक कपड़े डालें.
Hi guys, welcome to the Super Womania show. आज अपने स्टूडियो से बाहर निकल के इस खूबसूरत घर में है, सेट हमने लगा दिया है और इस घर की जो मालकिन है वो मेरे साथ बैठी हैं. None other than Kanika Dhillon. Okay, she started as an author, screenplay writer. उसके बाद ये प्रोड्यूसर बनी. बड़े सारी उन्होंने फिल्में स्क्रिप्ट्स प्रोड्यूस कर रही हैं विद कथा. Also managing a human child. How are you doing all of this?
With a lot of help and love and I guess stubbornness.
How bad is the gender bias when you're working in the industry? जब वो non glamorous सारे काम करने पड़ने हैं, एक सेट पे हो, कोई आपको
I'll
जानता
tell
नहीं
you,
है.
the day I started as an intern, the next day I knew, I was told that the people are betting in the office. So there's a boys club. So I was actually the first girl intern and there were like 6 boys as ADs. And boys club fully, and the bet was ये 10 दिन टिकेगी, ये 20 दिन टिकेगी, 1 महीना टिकेगी. So
आज देखो.
so yeah, you know, टिक गए.
Yeah.
So of course there's a huge gender bias. Of course there's a huge gender bias.
So how does one negotiate that? How did you learn it? I'm sure you learned it on the job because ये तो
Definitely a thick skin. Definitely you have to be 10 times better than them. You have to work 10 times harder as a woman. I've said that before also because, you know, I need to earn my place to be in the room and for my opinion to be taken seriously. I understood that way before. I mean, the moment I entered.
But you've come up with some, you know, like Rumi I love. I just love how she has flaws and yet you end up rooting for her, right? So to write such realistic women characters, आपके अंदर था, आपने लिखा, पर लोगों को कितना tough था to convince first that room, or you think there was?
No, of course, you know, मनमर्जियाँ took a long time to get made. You know, मनमर्जियाँ की struggle भी खुद खासा मतलब मैंने 2014 में लिखनी शुरू की थी, 15-16 से 2018 it came out. मतलब it started, it got shut down. It was a long struggle and also जब आप casting करने के लिए actors के पास जा रहे थे तो of course a lot of actors were like कि यार शादी करके चूड़ा डाला हुआ है, now I'm sleeping with my boyfriend.
Yeah.
So मतलब what will the audience think? There was hesitation. In fact, जब मैंने तापसी को सुनाया था, the role I called her home, and I was like, look, I'm going to narrate it too, पर जवाब तो मुझे अभी देके जाएगी. I had ambushed her, and she said, I did the narration. I said, now you tell me now. She said, can I go back and like think? I said, no. You have to tell me now. We were also just starting this thing, and I said, listen, either you get. I said, this is that character. Rumi is that character. Taapsi. Either you get it or you don't. And if you get it, then you're Rumi. If you don't, and if you think about it, then you're not. And she matches my level of madness. And like I tell everyone, the more we work, the more we realize, oh, she's madder than what I thought she is. She's crazier. So, and she did. She said, okay, I'm doing it. And as a writer, यार आपको you have to go and prove yourself with every narration. आपको actor लाना पड़ता है, director लाना पड़ता है, producer लाना पड़ता है. People have to feel that this character and this story is worthy of putting their money into that. So you have to have that solid conviction that reaches the other person who's sitting across the table.
You know, हम हमेशा बात करते हैं women characters written by women. What are some of your favorite male characters that you've written?
My recent favorite character is Rishu. I'm obsessed with Rishu. I love Rishu. Especially, you know, Vikrant having played that in part 1. And I thought you know, nobody could have played it much better than, you know, Vikrant. So I remember even while we were casting, so तापसी ने तो मनमर्जियाँ में ही मैंने उसको हसीन दिलरुबा का वन लाइन बताया था, उसने रुमाल रख दिया था. Then of course, you know,
I love this rumal.
हाँ, उसने रुमाल रख दिया था. And the best thing I remember about Vikrant and why I was so happy that he played Rishu was that after Haseen 1 released and it got so much love from the audience, Haseen 2 के बारे में मैंने बातचीत शुरू किया. मैंने बहुत बार बोला भी है कि मैंने हसीन 2 लिखी इसलिए बिकॉज आई फेल इन लव विद रानी एंड रिशु एंड मैं नहीं चाहती कि वो रिश्ता खत्म हो. एंड विक्रांत केम होम एंड विक्रांत सेड, कनिका यू हैव गिवन मी रिशु, हसीन 2 में कुछ भी है रिशु का, आई एम डूइंग इट. And of course, then even Rajkumar Rao's character in Judgmental hai kya?
Yeah.
He played it that tone so amazingly well, and he was like an onion with his own issues and how you know, subtleties of his character and why he was the way he was. And Robbie is the favorite. Abhishek Bachchan's, I think, one of his iconic characters. I actually love watching him again and again on screen. How he's played it so well. And even Vicky in Manmarziyan still so talked about.
वही मैंने सोचा आप बोल क्यों नहीं?
नहीं, Vicky is so loved, especially this generation, because you know, he normalized being confused in love. He normalized having commitment phobia, and he normalized this whole idea of कि यार प्यार होता है, उसमें शादी की commitment is not equal to I don't love you.
As women, you know, with everything that's going on currently, the Kolkata case, and I mean, you can call it anything, but as women, we know just leading life with that fear कि या point A to point B हम आराम से पहुंच पाएंगे या नहीं. कितना important है for the industry to introspect and understand कि हम जिस तरह की कहानियाँ showcase कर रहे हैं या किरदार लिख रहे हैं, उनकी social responsibility क्या है?
You know, firstly, this whole you know, situation we are in right now, it makes you numb, and also it's a little you know, it's hopeless. It's almost like now at a point that you feel कि ये बार हो रहा है, and the only thing that we can come up with is कि घर पे रहो. मतलब आप डॉक्टर्स को बोल रहे हैं कि इट इज नॉट सेफ टू डू नाइट
ड्यूटी मत दो यार,
आप नाइट ड्यूटी मत करो.
एंड एवरी टाइम वी फील बस इससे बुरा नहीं हो सकता, इससे नीचे कोई गिर नहीं सकता,
इससे बुरा नहीं हो सकता. एंड द ओनली सोल्यूशन वन हियर्स इज कि यार आप ध्यान से रहो. आपको हम ध्यान से रहें, हम घर के अंदर बंद हो जाएं, हम ठीक कपड़े डालें, हम अपनी सोच ऐसे, मतलब इट्स जस्ट सो skewed, it's so bizarre.
What was the conditioning like, Kanika, when you were growing up in Amritsar? What was that whole...
You know, I tell you, even when I was studying in St. Stephen's, I resented the fact that हमको कॉलेज में, कॉलेज कैंपस में, वहाँ पर 6 ब्लॉक्स होते थे, जिसमें से 1 was given to women. हमको ये लोग लॉक कर देते थे for our safety. 8:30 बजे के बाद हॉस्टल में 8:30 बजे के बाद नहीं जाना, इतना बड़ा ताला लग गया, यहाँ पर ताला, वहाँ ताले, वहाँ ताले. एंड आई एम लाइक, एंड आई वुड जेन्युइनली वंडर कि हमें क्यों लॉक कर दिया है, बिकॉज इट्स नॉट सेफ. तो जिनके कारण ये सेफ नहीं है जगह, तो पहले उनको बंद करिए आप. पर ये हॉस्टल्स में, यूनिवर्सिटीज में, इट इज ऑलमोस्ट लाइक कि आपके ऊपर होना से आपकी सेफ्टी आपकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है. इट्स हाउ आर यू क्रिएटिंग दिस एनवायरमेंट लाइक दैट, जिसे बोलते हैं ना कि अपने सामान का इंसान खुद जिम्मेदार है. तो यू आर एक्चुअली अब्जॉर्विंग योर सेल्फ ऑफ द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी एंटायरली, एंड यू आर सेइंग कि औरत की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी टू बी सेफ. ना यहाँ पर सिस्टम आ रहा है इन प्लेस, ना पुलिसिंग आ रही है, ना यहाँ पर डेटरेंस आ रहे हैं, ना पॉलिसी आ रही है, ना गवर्नमेंट आ रही है. ये क्या हो रहा है? अगर हमको ही अपनी सेफ्टी अपने कंधों पे उठा के चलना है, तो व्हाट इज दिस एंटायर सोशल फैब्रिक, these systems, these organizations all about? So this is actually a big question. I mean, it's really, we really need to sit and think.
One of the things that women struggle with is negotiating money. Okay, do you think you've aced it? And if you have, what are your tips for?
Listen, I went with all guns blazing because मैं पहले ही समझ गई थी भैया यहाँ हर चीज़ में, वो बोला ना मैंने 10% एक्स्ट्रा प्रेप एक्स्ट्रा करनी पड़ती है. So I was like, even when I had to go and negotiate money, I had to prep. कि I have to look there, sit there and say this is what I want, otherwise I can walk away from this. And I'll tell you, till date I always sit across the table with the intention that I think I deserve this, otherwise I will walk away.
You've walked away?
I have walked away. I have walked away more number of times than I've closed the deal, but I've walked away. And that is why I feel that I get what I get. And
So to know your worth is very important.
to know your
Pehle
worth
to-
is very
yeah.
important, especially if you're a woman here.
You know, as women, it's so important also to acknowledge the male allies who are with us, who understand what we want and what we expect. Industry mein, who are the few people you think who really treat men and women equal, and it's just talent that matters, and who've helped you also in your journey?
You know, my husband, for one.
Yeah.
Like, Himanshu is one of the reasons that we were really thick friends initially is also because he's somebody who had a very neutral perspective, was not really looking at this whole man-woman conversation. He would, when he's talking to me like a colleague. And very fair, very always there with the whole women issues or whatever. So of course, Shah Rukh, for that matter, is actually biased towards women.
Yeah.
He makes it so beautiful, for the environment so nice for the women to work in, and so safe. You feel very safe when you're working with him. So of course, Anurag Kashyap. Anurag is amazing. He's the most non-judgmental person that I've met. Rajkumar Rao, because the way your lead actors behave, that really sets the tone on the set. It always trickles down, top down. The way your producers are, the way your director is, that is directly related to how the crew, and especially the women, will feel.
Kanika, you are fabulous. Thank you so much for all that you do. We love the scripts that you write, the films that you're making. We look forward to seeing them. Thank you for your time.
Thank you, loved it. Thank you.